This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Ann Davis. A home with dramatic flair. Open floor plan dramatizes versatile interior with clean lines. Luxurious lifestyle on one floor. Beautiful outside area with limestone patio for easy entertaining, adjoining kitchen and oversized family room. Mahogany kitchen cabinets with limestone counters. 5 inches clearwood floors throughout. 1 bedroom and bath with easy access to garage for guest or mother-in-law suite. Oversized garage in perfect condition. Large office area with fireplace and built-ins with wall-off windows showing well-groomed yard. Marble enhances master bath. Renovated with all the work done on beautifully landscaped approximately 1 acre lot. For more information, review the details.